tardes. Check-in, 2 personas. Llegada, 2. I am in room 3129. It is a room with a lot of great amenities, so I'm about to show you guys them all. 3129. Definitely necessary, more than one person getting ready at a time. Spin right in here, got a nice shower with the rainfall. Beautiful thing. One of the greatest features, an outdoor shower. Can't wait to use this. Nice outdoor shower, got your hot and cold water. As we continue around the room, got like a little 32-inch TV, maybe a 40. Nobody's really here to watch TV though. Who comes to places like these and stare at the TV? Set you up with a nice little welcome. Get your glass, your 2 shot glasses. What we got? That's what we got. Got your king size bed. right off of the bed is a beautiful little hot tub. It's amazing. A little hot tub area to relax in. And see outside. We head out to the balcony without breaking anything. There we go. Try not to break stuff. Best part about this room is the outside patio. You got a nice day bed to lay in, relax. A table for if you want to sit and eat. Beautiful, beautiful. And then your own private infinity pool. Own private infinity pool. It's got a great view of the resort. Some other rooms with their own private infinity pools. The main pool, the rooms below us